What is up, my boys? My name is Superfast7, and I know there's not enough room up on this table, but it's okay. I'll just be getting one stuff right now, actually. I'm gonna put this back here. Alright, so basically, my special thing came. And I know what it is, definitely. It's my, for my Wii U Gamepad. You know what I'm talking about? So before we get into this, subscribe. It's about to get notified. And let's get straight into this video. Oh shoot, no. Don't ever show the address. Stupid. Oh, sorry. Jeez. They really did it good. Jeez. Here we go. Okay. Special delivery. Yes, I know. And guys, I am very careful with scissors. But if you're any other YouTubers out there that are playing with scissors, don't do that. You know what I'm talking about? You know? Oh, this AC adapter? Yeah, I know. I already got like another charger 1 year ago. And this year, I got another one. It's because I keep playing with the cord. That's why. I'll get this set up. Okay, but before we actually do that, I gotta get this knot out. I did it really good. I see. I did very good. Okay. Don't use the scissors. Why would you do that? I didn't do anything to the cord, okay, people? I didn't damage it, okay? Alright, I might get a little help from the awesomeness most shutout guy. His name is Scott, and he's up there. Alright, Dad. What? Come on down here, superhero guy. You can't do this stuff.
What can I do?
Get that white knot out of there.
Feed the spins off there.
Oh, okay. Then that as well. My other one, my older Wii Gamepad charger, got broke is because it kept playing with the cord. That's what happened. And this time, I'm not doing it again. This time, I'll let this thing charge by its own. Yeah, that's right, guys. Okay. I have the room. I have my own room to myself now. Now, I can't set this up yet. Oh, what? That spoon it. One spoon. I get this bad boy out. Get this out. Okay. Let's get this thing out of here. This one's a goner. Yeah, that's right. I know what I'm doing, guys. Put that there. This is my new gamepad. I really don't need that. I don't know why I have dishes in my room. Gotta take care of them before we leave tomorrow. I'm not gonna tell you the date. I'm sorry, I can't. I can't tell you the date, alright? My Wii gamepad is dead right now, as you can see. I'm gonna charge it right now. Don't play with it. Not playing with it, you filthy peasant. Oh, shoot. What? Okay. I know what I'm doing. Is it charging? Huh? Like that AC adapter. I put this bad boy down here. Oh shoot. Let that thing charge. Just like that. And there we go. Let that thing charge. It's gonna take a while for that thing to charge. Alright?
Is it charging?
Yeah.
Okay.
That one's dead. So throwing that in the garbage. Nice. So my name is Super5647. And it's 9 minutes and 7 seconds, and I'm going to be ending this video right now. So my name is Super5647, and what I'm doing for this is to adapt the special video, smack up the like button, and also just subscribe for daily decent content just like this. We got to like some other video, and I'll see you all on to the next video. Peace out, dudes. And that's my dad. Come on. Did you already peace out already? Come on, dude. You're kidding me.